Hello, students. So, welcome to this new lesson of your English textbook, the third level. And this story is full of adventure, science fiction, etc. etc. As you would like to read. All those fans of Avengers, they would find it really interesting because this story talks about time travel, possibility which is explored by many scientists, and many theories or hypotheses are already given about it. We have also studied a similar type of chapter in your class 11th, the adventure, where Professor Gatunde finds himself into another reality. Here you will read about the main character traveling back in time and then coming back and then again looking for the opportunity to go back but could not. So let us read this story and find out what happens in this story. The characters of this story are Charlie, Lisa and Sam. The third level is a medium of escape for the narrator named Charlie from the harsh realities of modern life. It is a psychological journey of the narrator who tries to interweave fantasy and reality in the past, present and in the future. Charlie is a 31-year-old guy. He is seen wearing a tan gabardine suit and a straw hat. He is an American who narrates his unusual experience of having been to the third level of the station, Grand Central Station, which actually does not exist. One day, Charlie is in a hurry to get to his apartment. He takes the subway from this Grand Central because it is faster than the bus. He goes down the steps to the first level. Then he walks down to the second level. The suburban trains leave from there. He goes into an arched doorway, heading for the subway and gets lost. He says that it is quite easy to get lost there because the Grand Central is growing like a tree with endless corridors. Because at that time it was being built and doorways and stairs. He finds himself on the third level. And when he enters into the third level, he finds it is a different world of gaslights, brass spittoons, derby hats, beards, sideburns, and fancy mustaches. Harry Potter fans would compare it with a similar situation like the platform 9 and 3 quarters, where the wizards they go after going through between platform number 9 and 10. Similarly, here also you see he just finds himself into a totally different world. At one side, where he was like in a regular platform, and here he was at a totally different world, where it was gaslights, brass spittoons, derby hats, beards, sideburns, and fancy mustaches, something which was not in his world. And he wanted 2 tickets. He asked for 2 tickets for Galesburg, Illinois. And the ticket clerk is surprised to see different kinds of notes in Charlie's hands. He warns, saying to him that this is not money, mister, and don't try to make a fool of me. And then he realizes that it is not his time. He is in the past, and he turns away and goes out fast because he didn't want to be caught. And once he comes back, he wishes to go back to his world. He wishes to go back to that time and live in his old village, the native place. Therefore, what he does, he buys old currency and he goes back to the same place, but he is unable to find that corridor again, which leads to the third level at the Grand Central. Lisa, his wife, is really worried when he tells her all this story, anybody who is sane would never believe this type of this type of science fiction, or this type of talks. The railway authorities, they swear that there are only 2 levels at the Grand Central. No one has ever seen the 3rd level there. Then Charlie consults his psychiatrist friend Sam, and Sam calls it a waking dream wish fulfillment. He gives a theory that Charlie doesn't feel comfortable in the modern world of fear, insecurity, and war. Therefore, he just escapes into the world of dreams and fancies. He thinks his birthplace, Galesburg, Illinois, is a safe and peaceful place for living. And that is why he actually did not go to the 3rd level. He did not go back in time, but it was just his brain which made him feel like that. He had an escapist brain. And even Charlie's friends, they also claim that Charlie has an escapist tendency. His stamp collection habit is nothing but a temporary refuge from reality. But then things take a swift turn when Sam disappears and nobody knows where he has gone. And Charlie, he doubts him to be in Galesburg, Illinois. And he also finds out that Sam had bought old currency worth $300. He also finds a marked envelope mailed to his grandfather at his home in Galesburg, and the postmark shows July 18, 1894, and he takes the envelope and opens it, and the letter has been addressed to Charlie by Sam. Means the old letter which was written in 1894 and Sam wrote it, who had just gone there a few days back, just to prove that he actually went back in time. And in that he wrote that Charlie is right about the 3rd level. Sam claims that he has found the 3rd level and he is in Galesburg. He asks Charlie and Lisa to keep looking for the 3rd level. And here we have Sam's letter to Charlie. He says that I got to wishing that you were right. Then I got to believe you were right. And Charlie, it's true. I found the 3rd level. I have been here for 2 weeks, and right now down the street at the Dailies, someone is playing a piano and they are all out on the front porch singing Nelly Home, and I'm invited over for lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Lisa. Keep looking till you find the 3rd level. It's worth it, believe me. And Sam. So here we see that it's totally an incredulous story. Maybe fiction is like that always. Here the narrator couldn't go back in time, but his friend managed to go and start living there. And whether the narrator was able to find out or not, we don't know, because the story ends here when the narrator found the proof that yes, time travel actually happened, when he found the letter written by Sam to his grandfather even before the birth of narrator. So that is only possible when Sam was really back in time. So I hope you might have liked this story, and for detailed understanding of the lesson, I would recommend that you should go through the story once and read it. I'm sure you will enjoy it.